The subtle yet insidious nature of feline health issues demands that any deviation from their typically stoic demeanor, no matter how seemingly minor or fleeting, be treated as a potential harbinger of impending doom, lest one risk being blindsided by the proverbial deus ex machina of cat medicine, where a single instance of vomiting can precipitate a catastrophic cascade of complications, rendering even the most seasoned feline physician powerless against the unforgiving whims of Whiskervilles' capricious fate.